Good morning, students. Today we are going to focus on the multiplication of the matrices. So let's start with the few questions which are based on the multiplication of the matrices. For that, we are taking the quick exercise 3.2 question number 3. The question number 3 is compute the indicated product. Now students, keep in mind that in this video we are going to focus on the multiplication. So we just see the questions which are based on the multiplication. Now first question is, here we have our two matrix AB minus BA and A minus B BA. Students, remember, whenever you are having a square matrix, that is 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, okay, if you multiply a matrix 2 cross 2 with the 2 cross 2, then nothing to check. Okay, square matrices will be always multiplied. So here we are going to multiply for these two. So now how to multiply? We have to multiply by the first row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. So now you should multiply A with A. So that's we are getting A square plus B into B. So plus B square. So hence we are getting the first element. Now for the second element, we have to multiply first row with the second column. So here you have A and minus B. So A into minus B, you are getting minus AB. B into A, you are getting AB. So minus AB plus AB. Similarly, minus B into A, so minus AB plus AB. And similarly, second row and second column, so you get minus B into B, that is B square, plus A into A square. So here AB minus and plus cut, minus and plus cut. So here we are getting A square plus B square, 0, 0, A square plus B square. So this is our multiplication of two matrices which is of the order 2 by 2. Now let me see the second question. Now our second question is, here you can see the first matrix is 1, 2, 3. It's a column matrix and this is a row matrix. Okay. So now we are going to multiply. Now first you should remember the rule to multiply. That is the first number of column of the first matrix must be equal with number of row of the second matrix. Now here you can see the number of column in the first one is 1, where the number of row in the second is again 1. So here we are having number of column of the first, that is a 1, and number of row of the second is also 1. So here the first condition satisfies, so we can multiply. Remember, in each and every question we no need to check these things, but whenever the multiplication is asked, it is advisory that you should check first that the number of column of the first matrix is same as number of row of the second matrix. Okay, so let me perform the multiplication. So now we are going to multiply these two. For this, you can see here, first we will see the multiplication. So how we do multiplication? First row and first column. So we will multiply 1 into 2, which will give us a first element. Okay. Then first row and second column. So this will give us the second element of the first row. Then 1 into 4, that is the third element. Now first row and first column, 2 2s are 4, that is the second one. Then second into second row and second column, so 2 into 3, that is the second element of the second row, and 2 into 4, there will be third. Similarly, you multiply 3 with 2, so third element of the first element of the third row, then second element, and 3 into 4. So hence you are getting 3 by 3 matrix. We have to multiply which row? Here this is the matrix of the order 3 by 1 and this is the matrix of the order 1 by 3. these two must be equal and your product will be the order these two, 3 by 3. So here you are getting 3 by 3. So simple question, just multiply and this is your answer. I hope students now you are little bit be clear with the multiplication. So let me see one more question. Now here I have written, you can see here number of column of the first and number of row of the second. First write down the order. This is the matrix of the order 2 by 2 and this is the matrix of the order 2 by 3. As second and the first, these two are equal. What is it? The number of column of the first, that is 2. Number of row of the second, that is 2. And what should be our product matrix? It is of the order 2 by 3. It will of the matrix order 2 by 3. So let me start the multiplication. So here when you are going to multiply, which one the first element? First row and the first column. So we will get 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. Remember student, this is not required to write each and every time, but as it is a starting, so we should write down. So your concept must be clear. So 1 into 1, 1 plus minus 2 into 2. So that will be the first element. Now for the second element, what we have to do? First row and second column. So now we multiply 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. Then we are going to get the third element. For third element, first row and the third column. So you're going to multiply 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1. Understood student? Similarly for the second row, you should multiply second row and the first column. For second row, second column, then second row and the third column. So you will get this and your answer is 1 plus minus 4, that is minus 3. 2 plus minus 6, that is a minus 4. Let me write down here, that is a minus 3, then minus 4, and 3 plus minus 2, that is 1. 2 plus 6, that is 8. 4 plus 9, that is 13, and 6 plus 3, that is 9. So this is your product, and you can see student, the order of the matrix is 2 row and 3 column. So 2 by 3. What we have decided, that what should be the product? 2 by 3 matrix. Okay students, so I hope you understood the matrix multiplication. So let me see one more question of the similar type. Now this is the question number 4 we have here. We will see, this is the question number 4 here. So what is the question number 4? It is 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Again student, you can see it is a 3 by 3 matrix. First one. Second is also the order 3 by 3. So square matrix. So we should multiply. Now let me start. So how to do? First row and first column. You can see this multiplication here. Okay. Then first row and second column. So this is the multiplication here. Then first row and the third column. So this is the multiplication. Okay. Similarly, second row and the first column. So second row और first column का multiplication हमने ऐसे लिखा है. You understood now how? First element and the first element. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3. You understood student? Similarly, second row and the second column. So here. Second row and the third column. So here. Then third row and the first column. Here. Third row and the second column. So here. And third row and the third column. Okay students, so this is the multiplication. You just apply the multiplication and here your answer is 14, 0, 42, 18 minus 1, 56, 22 minus 2 and 70. I hope now you are really clear with the multiplication. But here we are going to explain two more questions. Let me see here. So now this question is 2, 1. So order you remember. What is the order here? So here 1, 2 and 3 row. So 3 row and 2 column. Here 2 row and 3 column. So students, as these two are equal, so product is possible, and your product matrix is of the matrix 3 by 3. Product will be the order 3 by 3. So let me start with the multiplication. Now you understood. So second, first row, first column. You can see here 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. And second, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Then 3 into 2. Sorry, second row, first column. 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. Then 3 into 0 plus 2 into my 2. Then 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Similarly, third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. So you will get by the multiplication 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. So let me see the last question of the question number 3. That is the sixth one. The sixth is 3 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. And here this. So again, what is the order here, students? 2 by 3. And here it is the order 3 by 2. So here these two are equal. So product is possible. And product matrix is of the order 2 by 2. So now here I am not writing the multiplication. I am writing directly. So you can also write directly. So 3 2s are 6. Plus 1 1s are 1. Sorry, minus 1 into 1. So minus 1 plus 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. Now first row and the second column. So you are getting 3 into minus 3 minus 9 plus minus 1 into 0 that is 0 plus 3 into 1 that is 3. Now second row and the first column. So you are getting minus 1 into 2. So minus 2 plus 0 into 1 that is 0 plus 2 into 3. So again 2 3s are 6. Now second row and the second column. So minus 1 into minus 3 that is 3 plus 0 into 0 that is 0 plus 2 into 1 2. So this is your answer 14 minus 6 4 and 5. Okay students, so this is your question number 3 of the exercise 3.2. I hope with this your concept of the multiplication is must be clear. Till you have any doubt, then you can give me a comment. Thank you and have a nice day.